seen him, Mama.
Hello? Hello? It's Armadillo 731. What is it with these things? Hello? It's a new line. Hello? Hello?
Sounds fun. What's happening?
I have no idea. Yeah, if it's important, they'll send someone down like they did with you.
Suddenly, the world is full of theys.
Yeah. I remember when we first got here. We used to consider people from Dade County to be exotic. Now guys can get here from the Midwest, and they can do it in 6 days.
Things have changed.
They've gotten away from me. Hello? I don't understand it no more, boy. Honest to goodness.
I'm not sure I do.
Marshal! 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 I just been up in the canyon, spying like you said. I think I seen me a couple of them rustlers. I think it was the Ballard twins and a couple of Mexicans.
They up there right now?
Well, it was a group of 4 men rounding up Mr. Gulch's livestock, and none of them looked like any of Gulch's hands, so yes, sir, right now.
That sarcasm's most unbecoming, Eli. It's gonna hold you back in life, even worse than your lazy eye. All right, let's go. You ride with us again, Marston?
Will you help me?
I will try.
It'd be my pleasure.
Why me?
Come on. How long you been working for the government, Marston? We need to stick together, boy. Them rustlers might be waiting for us. I'll be honest with you, Marston. I ain't for all this government interference.
Believe me, Marshal, neither am I.
I try to keep the federal boys happy. I mean, we need all the help we can get. But what does a flannel-mouthed city boy who's never forked a bale of hay in his life know about a state like New Austin?
Nothing, I reckon.
All this manifest destiny hogwash, taming a wild land, bringing modernization and betterments to the West. It's only made the rich richer and the poor poorer, and it's killed a way of life.
Building a factory over a field ain't gonna help nobody I know.
Look at what they've done to the natives for God knows how many years now. It's hardly like they're gonna suddenly start respecting a man's right to work his land.
That's different. They're savage.
Let's go.
Stay with us, Marston. You never know. The Ballard twins might have set up an ambush. Are you sure we're the Ballard twins, Eli?
Sure as shooting. I'd know those boys any place.
Are these the same rustlers who've been causing the McFarlands so much trouble?
Nearly there.
Whoa. Go.
Oh, there.
Come on.
Let's move up the canyon towards the fort. Be ready, boys. We're probably going to be outnumbered.
And those bastards ain't short on firepower, neither.
Let's see how many there are. If we can take them alive, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches.
Music to my ears, Marshal.
Rustler, find some cover. This way! Come on, Marston. I can't take them all by myself. You got one.
This is where it is, buddy. Right here.
Okay, boys, you head down that left fork. I'll take the right. Marston, you can come with me or go with them.
Stop falling behind. We gotta push forward.
surrender. You hear?
What's the matter? Ain't got the band for a real fight?
My God. All right, come on, Marston. Let's push on. Damn you. Look, the deputies are making progress. Oh, God damn it.
I'll kill you!
Look out! Here's some more! Come on! Let's get these sons of bitches! Come on, let's clear out that camp. Watch yourself. Looks like they have some backup. Let's go, Marston! We gotta keep moving. Nice and steady now. Don't leave yourself open. Put down your gun and surrender. Hey, this one. Help me out here, will you? Good shooting, boy. There's one more for the vultures. That bastard won't be rustling no more. Stay with me! Christ alive! Surrender, or I'll kill you all! Are you gonna shoot any of these rustlers, boy? Oh my good God, watch it! Jesus! All right, where's the camp, Marston? I'll wait for you a short ways up this ridge.
Someone might as well have this.
Keep your eyes open. I saw a couple of snipers across the way. Look out! There are them snipers. I'm giving you one last chance to put your hands in the air. Let's clear out Pike's Basin once and for all. Come on, Marston. I can't take them all by myself.
Oh my God!
Let's push on. It sounds like the deputies could use a hand. This looks as good a spot as any. Gather around and listen up. Let's try to sneak up on them. The closer we are, the less chance they have of making a run for it.
Fire at will, boys! We've got to keep them Catlin hostages alive.
Tell the bollards to give themselves up, or we'll kill every last one of you. Jesus, well. Give 'em hell! Help me out here, will you?
Stop that! Follow me! Got one! For Christ's sake!
Nice shot! Good shooting, boy! There's one more for the vultures. You better surrender! You hear? Are you gonna shoot any of these rustlers, boy? My God! Get those thieving bastards! Come on, Marston! I can't take them all by myself! This bastard won't be rustling no more!
You might as well give it up now! Are you gonna do something, Marston? Your wrestling days are over.
What are you waiting for? Do something! You got the wrong space, please. Show me what you got. Hell no!
Looks like the bollards won't be rustling again anytime soon. Quick, let's get those hostages freed.
Thanks, Marshal. We're indebted to you with our lives.
Just get them cattle back safe.
All right.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Well done, Mr. Marston.
Yes, well done.
Now, about Williamson.
I'll do what I can. You know, as you can see, this country is infested with all manner of scum.
Say that again.
Well, one other thing, Marston. Mr. Johnson, sir. It's Mr. Wes Dickens. He's missing.
Who?
Mr. Wes Dickens, the tonics merchant. He was due in town last week.
Oh, the narcotic and bat piss salesman who cons housewives out of their money with promises of eternal youth.
Yes, him, but I think you're being a little unfair. He's helped a great many of the county, and many of the townsfolk are really missing him.
You hear that, Marston? We just butchered a gang of thieves, and the town is up in arms about a missing snake oil merchant. I am so glad to be serving such a wise and respectable people. Come on, Eli.
That's so. Really?
No me digas. Hello.
Hey, handsome.
He told me to be I already got myself a woman, miss.
Don't say.
What's going on?
Black winged tomatoes gave my boss the